Have you tried intermittent fasting but felt like it wasn't for you? Me too, and the reason was that I didn't know enough when I started. To optimize your experience, it's crucial to begin slowly and allow your body to adjust. Keep in mind that fasting affects your hormones, so if you're already stressed, it may further increase your cortisol levels. Start with a 12-hour overnight fast, gradually extending fasting between 12 to 18 hours based on what suits your lifestyle. Men often handle longer morning fasts well, whereas women should strive to eat within 2 hours after waking up to maintain hormonal balance and menstrual regularity. Personally, I fast for 14 hours with a 10-hour eating window from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're all individuals, so experiment what suits you, listen to your body, and adapt accordingly. Follow us to evolve your human potential.